I think today is, an opportunity to do something tangible, okay, to put our time and effort, to putting together a number of care packages for the people that respond to us when we're in need. Whether it's the firefighters, the police, other first responders, I think it's really fantastic. Service for us is really the backbone of what we do. Part of our normal job, servicing our customers, but really giving back to the community. And so we're really proud of that, really proud to be part of this today with Operation Gratitude. You can get busy in your day-to-day lives and kind of forget everything else that's really important. And we want to make sure that we're giving back to the community, helping us build our company culture, and really just remind everybody that it's pretty simple just to say thank you and show it with acts of kindness and effort and things like today. I think it's really important for our company. I think it's why one of the many reasons people love to work at our company is they feel welcomed, appreciated, supported, and they can give back to the community.